This is for coaches who are doing everything right and still not seeing the income to match it. You've got the certification, probably too many certifications. You show up, you post, you genuinely care about your people, and you get them great results. Somehow the business still feels like a roller coaster, and I don't mean the fun kind. One great month, then three slow ones, and you never feel like you've got the traction or momentum you really need. This comes back to one underlying cause, and I've seen it in all sorts of coaching and consulting businesses. Most coaches build the system on the outside before they've done the work on the inside. They've done the website, the logo, their business cards, the offer written up somewhere, and none of it holds because underneath all of it, the central identity hasn't caught up yet. That's the first foundational piece. Identity, attract, profit in that order. And almost everyone wants to skip straight to attract, right? Give me the content, give me the funnel, give me the thing that works. But if you don't know that you are the coach people pay well for, no funnel or email is going to convince a stranger to buy from you before you believe it yourself. So there's something I call the terror barrier. It's that moment your subconscious runs into something unfamiliar, even something you actually want, and it's like your amygdala implodes, your nervous system objects, and you freeze. Then you revert back to whatever made you feel safe, and you do it again and again and again. People think they need more discipline to build a business, but this isn't a discipline problem. What most coaches and business owners don't know is that your brain, your nervous system, and your subconscious mind do not care if you are successful. They only care if you are in perceived safety, which is familiar. That's why 80 to 85% of coaches don't make it past their first 2 years in business, and they didn't step into the identity that handles success and growth. Most coaching programs either focus entirely on the strategy and tactics, and maybe they touch a little bit on mindset, but nothing identity shifting. This is why I designed the Profitable Coach program, to integrate these fully so you can access your magic and have the confidence to build a business that makes an impact, more income, and is your path to freedom. And by the way, this identity foundation isn't the soft woo-woo thing you do before the real business training. It is the business training. This is exactly what we do inside of the Profitable Coach workshop. So if you've registered, show up for both days. This one really builds on itself. If you're seeing this and you're not already registered, the link is in the description below. It's time to get your coaching, consulting, creative business on solid ground so you can finally build beyond this stop and scale to a place of income, impact, and freedom.